ETL NSF approved automatic meat slicer. The connection for this meat slicer be 110 to 120 voltage. Coming front, the sticker diagram with the electrical information: 110 voltage, 60 hertz, and 1 phase. The radius for top of the slice area is 13 inches. And again, this is an automatic meat slicer. Going back here, your power, control switches, buttons. Right here is your gauge and the compression for the top area. Our 13-inch automatic meat slicer, ETL and NSF certified. For any additional questions, give us a call or visit our website. Thank you.